Okay, I'm going to work on a new project using a plastic. I'm going to fix this hole. I have a rust in my car on the floorboard right there. So I'm going to use that rubber stuff and seal it, because as you can see, there's a hole that goes into the ground from the car on the driver's seat in the truck. So that is what I'm going to do. And what I have the putty knife, I have the screwdriver, the scissors, and the reinforcement stuff, and a rubber that I placed on the roof a week ago. So that's what I'm going to use here, and hopefully fix that hole in the floorboard. And so let's get to work. So there is my update. I fixed the rubber thing stuff on it, on the floorboard, and hopefully it'll work. Got my hands all cleaned up from that stuff. It's really sticky. It gets sticky all over it gets all over your hand. I had to use lighter fluid to get it off me. It gets everywhere. So that's the end of the project. And let it sit for maybe an hour or so, and hopefully it'll dry and I won't have any more hole problems in my floorboard.